feels like a safe. Like, the gloss on the box is crazy. The weight is crazy. Like, this is not your regular box. Let's get that off. Let's get that off right now. And if you get a chance to get these in hand, you know what I'm saying. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out, man. If you're new to the channel, you know all the stuff the SHOETUBER say, right? Please do that for me, man. Today we are reviewing the Superstar 80s Adidas BAPEs. Yes, sir. And this video was supposed to come out a couple of days ago, but as I was backed up, I had so many videos I had to put out before this. But real talk, real quick. I usually don't get into the SHOETUBER drama, but we gotta stop playing on Kobe's name, man. Kobe is like a god to me. That's my favorite basketball player ever. I grew up watching Kobe, man. So if you're a big Kobe fan, then just be a big Kobe fan. But don't be a Kobe fan, act like you're the biggest Kobe fan in the world, then do an auction selling all his sneakers, man. I ain't gotta say nobody's name, but that's very disrespectful. I'm a big Kobe fan, and let's just keep it real, man. Talk about Kobe, this is what I do, man. This is what I do. This is my man, dog. So I just had to get that out, man. Let's stop playing on Kobe name. Back to the sneakers. Yes, sir. So like I told you, this video was supposed to come out a couple of days ago, but I had to do the Armand Nair joints and the Travis. I was backed up, man. But I didn't think these sneakers would have that much hype, and they really don't. It's something about Adidas, man. Like, when Adidas finds something that clicks, they keep clicking, man. And that kind of throws the consumer off. You know, i.e., I remember a couple years ago, cats was paying $300, $400 for Ultra Boost, and now, like, they just sitting on shelves. So Adidas got to learn quality over quantity. Like, when something clicks, they go. But these sneakers here are crazy. Let's get into the review. The lid, you can see the engravements in the box that this is not your regular box. So the inside, I mean, I wear BAPE, but oh, the inside is the shell toe. Yeah, that's not a BAPE thing. That's Adidas shell toe. The top of the box reads Superstar with your BAPE camouflage ABC camo with your 3 stripes going across. The classic 3 stripes, not just your regular 3 lines. That's the ones with the ripples in it. Here we have it, man. The Adidas BAPE 80s and the ABC camo. Now, off the bat, I never remember seeing a shell toe come with extra shoestrings. Again, I could be wrong. Last time I owned the shell toe, I maybe was 9 years old. That's crazy. Off the back again, what screams at me? Bam. It's that classic 80s, 90s rap BAPE nameplate on the shoe straight. I believe Adidas did a good job at making a classic stand out even more. So on your outside of your sneaker, and when I was buying this sneaker and I was watching reviews, I was like, I hope this is the outside, because every time I was watching reviews, it looked like this was inside. So your classic BAPE star logo here, is on the outside, guys. Let me clarify that so people will see it more. It's on the outside. You have that there. Under it, it reads A Bathing Ape in classic gold font. And that's wrapped around the ABC camo all the way through. You come to the back. This is the right shoe. It says BAPE. Bang. Right there. That's dope, man. That's classic. Come around. The inside has the 3 logos. The inside 3 logos. Outside BAPE Star. And that's the right shoe. The bottom is all white. You know how dirty these can get. You know, Jason Mark, Crep Protect, whatever you like. I'm sponsored by neither. So, however you feel. But I was a big fan of Crep Protect. I think last year I used it a lot. The front toe. There go your shell toe. I'm okay with it being white, as it's, you know, is being classic. But I wish they put the camo here too. Like, why not? Or at least like a khaki or green. One of the colors that's in the ABC camo could have been here. But I'm not mad at the white. In the comment section below, let me know how y'all feel about that. Like I told y'all, it comes attached with black shoestrings. And the black shoestrings has the BAPE Japanese writing at the tip. The white ones that it comes laced in also do too. Your insole is premium. Premium. It's leather, man. Like, your feet might just slide away with this. Soft leather with your bathing ape man in there. Soft plush leather, guys. The video ain't gonna do it no justice. Trust me. Soft plush leather. Now let's make sure the left shoe does the same thing. So off the back we see that the left shoe has the Adidas logo inside. That same plush soft material, man. Let me try to pull these things out.
A few moments later.
I got it halfway out, guys. So you can see the thickness of it. How soft it is. So as I said, it is a difference. So on your left shoe, the BAPE logo is in the inside. And the Adidas logo is on the outside. And it reads Adidas. I don't know, does that say original? Superstar. Adidas Superstar in a nice gold font. And the camo on this is crazy, man. I ain't gonna lie with you, man. The camo's crazy. Yeah, man, so in my honest opinion, man, this is a good sneaker, man. Good sneaker. I got these for retail from In Clothing. Shout out to In Clothing, man. I also brought this Fragment Bear Brick tee here. I brought it so I can wear these Bear Brick dunks. If you watch the channel, you know a couple of weeks ago I did a video asking is these bricks. And after me showing y'all more of the sneaker, I felt like I have to wear it. So this is the Fragment Bear Brick collab tee. And of course it matched perfect. Black, white. Classic sneaker. BAPE put a dope spin on it, man. Shout out to BAPE, dog. Right now, you still can get a few on, you know, the overseas websites. It's like America and the bots is ridiculous. So I say cop 'em, man. If you're a big fan of BAPE or you're a big fan of Adidas, if you're a big fan of both, I say grab them now, let them sit, throw them on a nice summer day to the barbecue or whatever, man. Durable. You already know shell toes are durable, so you ain't got to worry about that. So yeah, today we learned that Adidas and BAPE can come together with a classic like they've done a lot of times and make it pop. We also learned that you shouldn't play with Kobe's name, man. Leave Kobe alone, man. Let his greatness live through Vanessa and the kids, man. Let's stop playing on Kobe for views, dog. Like, it's just YouTube. I don't even know I brought that up. I'm getting mad again. But this is not my favorite Bathe the Nate Adidas collab. That happens to be Game 6 Adidas with the BAPE oil on it. I remember being at All-Star Weekend in LA and going crazy looking for these, man. Like crazy looking for these. But I secured them. Shout out to Dame, man. Hope they let my Lakers get that 6th spot, man. But yeah, these are dope, man. So you know we're gonna have to do a sneaker notes, sneaker verses against these soon. Coming later. Yeah. So yeah, man, I'm your boy Sneaker Notes, man. R.I.P. Kobe. Everybody get rich.